So yesterday, Monday, was an eventful day, because irate taxi drivers took time out of their vengeful schedule to put on an all-island taxi strike and redraw their services. This is because of outstanding tickets that have accumulated. According to some of these drivers, they have paid some of these outstanding tickets only to find that there is no record of them paying these tickets. They want the government of Jamaica to grant them amnesty for these tickets that are overdue. But why treat regular Jamaicans like this, regardless of your strike? Let me recap some of the various outrageous behaviors of taxi men yesterday.
Enough of them where you see, a comment on Facebook. Oh, them the taxi money, them unruly. No forgive them, no amnesty. Right? No amnesty, no forgive them. Watch out now. Look on the bird them, look on the headless chicken them. Stand up, can't go nowhere. Watch them. Watch the headless chicken them. Watch them. Enough of them hot girl, they say they hype and they have man to drive car. Look on them, they can't go nowhere. Watch them. They turn up like a old, if you call it like a standing duck. Where the hot man there if you bring on home? Why don't call the man the Integra, the BMW come pick on up? Watch out. Look on them stand up. I only think I'm sorry for the kids them. I'm sorry for the student them. But all I want to type behind on the keyboard on the yard. I put about taxi man drive bad and we deserve all these things. Alright, we're going to stand up until midnight tonight. Tonight we're going to sleep on the road. Watch him. Yeah man, tonight them.
Regardless of how you feel, your strike is not vengeance against your passengers. The passengers didn't bad drive anyone and have outstanding tickets to pay. I used to always say the police should go easy on these drivers, but now I have a change of heart. The government needs to fix their system, but some of these drivers are reckless regardless. Remember, the same passenger who you diss today can decide to mess you up tomorrow. Best believe that.
Excuse, I'm at work. Excuse. We got work. Watch out.
Come on, passenger John, lift for your water man, so water man. You know, ramp with the rest of the thing of play boy. Nobody ramp with bumbo clock.
This is what taxi men badness lead to. I hope they keep your ass in there for a month.
Yeah.
Please accommodate the guests coming.
In Portmore, drivers slash tires and burn them. What kind of behavior is this? Some of you drivers don't even own the cars you drive, you are just hired to drive.
Right now, man, them guy me out here, you know? But guy me is life.
This island-wide strike will continue into today and tomorrow, so guys, please hitch a ride with a friend to work or use your workers' leave, because it's getting serious out here. By the way, I don't think the government will be footing your bill anytime soon.
Commuters are bracing for a massive disruption in the transport sector tomorrow as taxi operators island-wide have signaled their intention to stay off the job. They are calling for the government to grant them a traffic ticket amnesty. Up to news time, heads of several bus and taxi associations were locked in a meeting discussing the matter. In September, transport operators staged a massive protest in Halfway Tree St. Andrew to call for a traffic ticket amnesty. Promises were made, but their calls are yet to be addressed. However, a member of the One Voice Transport Association, Tigana Madden, says they are yet to hear from the government about an amnesty.
Main reason for the strike, we need an amnesty because there are persons out there who are willing to pay, but they cannot find all the money at once. So if you could give them an amnesty over a period of time, and when you give them that amnesty over a period of time, then we can come to you. You will see where it's benefiting you. It is benefiting us as a country because within this time period, you can see how many hundreds of millions, closer to $1 billion that you have collected. And we are sure that this will happen. They have gone and give a gun amnesty and they have not recovered one gun since. So if they give us an amnesty, it will be able to benefit the country financially.
Mr. Madden says the demonstrations are expected to be peaceful.
No, what we're doing, we are going to let our voices be heard peacefully. We're doing, just like the other day, we had a peaceful demonstration, but there is a but. There is a lot of persons out there who drive their private vehicles who we as operators have no control over. We cannot control them because there are a lot of persons out there who have unpaid tickets.
That wasn't peaceful anyways. Until my next episode, stay safe.